The automotive industry is experiencing the biggest upheaval in its history. Pascal Breyer, Altran Group Executive Vice President, sheds light on the four major trends for the car of the future: electric, autonomous, connected, and with a completely new architecture. A technological tsunami has been upturning the automotive industry over the last decade. Traditional patterns have been exploding as the digital revolution leads to reinventing all the hardware and software architecture on vehicles. It may well be that in a few years' time, a car will look nothing like it does today. This development will be in stages. We start without feet and then do without hands and eventually without eyes. Pascal Breyer, Altran Group Executive Vice President. In the opinion of Pascal Breyer, Altran Group Executive Vice President and responsible for innovation, it is disruptive technology. The car of the future is well and truly on its way. Here are its main features. The electric car. Electric was the first phenomenon to transform cars. When it was first introduced, experts envisaged a specific use, for public transport for example. Beating the predictions, electric cars are slowly emerging as a must-have in all the market segments. It now has numerous technological advantages and its alleged historical weaknesses, such as autonomy, 600 kilometers for the latest Tesla for example, or road performance, no longer apply. This trend has been greatly reinforced by environmental obligations to reduce particle and greenhouse gas emissions. In the years ahead, increasingly powerful hybrid or electric engines will gradually replace the traditional internal combustion engine. The autonomous car. It is the most spectacular revolution. Tomorrow, cars will be able to do without their drivers. This development will be in stages. We start without feet and then do without hands and eventually without eyes, says Pascal Breyer. The next step: 100% autonomy. Engineers are working to replace human eyes with a multitude of cameras, sensors and lasers that will reproduce the environment in 3D and allow the vehicle to make navigation decisions alone. Popularized by Google and its famous Google car, most manufacturers have begun looking at autonomy and are currently in the phase of conducting major tests on the roads. Cars are becoming a separate place for service consumption. Pascal Breyer, Altran Group Executive Vice President. The connected car. The car of the future will be fully connected with objects and humans. In fact, in order to be autonomous and make the right decisions, cars must be able to exchange a variety of information with the outside world: traffic, weather, vehicle condition, service stations, accidents, etc. Eventually, through various sensors,